Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to apply your contact lenses and how to remove them. I've been using this method for about 8 years now, since I was 14, and it's never done me wrong. I have an easy method that's quick and it doesn't take much time at all. This method can be for beginners, for people who are already using contact lenses but they just want a quicker method. At the end of this video you should know how to put in your lenses and take them out without having any fears or worries at all. So let's get started. So step number one, get your contact lenses. I have disposables that get sent to me every month. So I don't really use contact lens solution to clean the lens because the lens come in their own solution. Mine are prescription based, so I always have to organise them. So, I always open them up before I do anything else. Step number two, make sure you have clean hands. This is so important. This is your eyes that we're talking about. You don't really want to mess with your eyes with dirty hands because you're just going to get an infection. Well, not guaranteed, but you know, you're increasing the risk of getting an infection. So common sense, make sure you always have clean hands. I usually rinse my hands in lukewarm water, and I also rinse my knuckles as well. A lot of you also ask me, how do I put my lenses in with these nails? And the truth is, I don't put them in with my nails. I put them in with the tip of my finger, not my nails. So also this method is going to help those of you out there who wear acrylic nails, long nails, glue-on nails. So rinse your hands with lukewarm water, including your knuckles. Don't use soap for this method. You don't need to use soap, that's not really a good idea. You don't want to burn your eyes. First thing I do is I get my knuckle to pick up the contact lens. I don't like to use my finger just in case my nail rips the lens. So I'll just get my knuckle, pick up the lens. I wear clear lenses most of the time, so you probably can just about see that, but the lens is on my knuckle. What I do is I flip it so it's resting on the middle finger of my right hand. Then I use my left hand to lift my lid, the middle finger on my left hand to lift my lid up, the fourth finger on my right hand to pull down my lid, and I just pop the lens in. I just pop the lens in. Blink a couple times to make sure it's definitely in there, which it is. I also look around, and I know this looks weird. I look crazy right now, but it basically tells me if the lens is in the right way. If it's falling out, then I know it's the wrong way around. The only time I get to look crazy, and it's okay, but I'm always in the bathroom putting in my lenses, so it's just me, no one else is around. Right, I'm just gonna do the other contact lens. So make sure I flip it round on my middle finger. I always use my right hand, it's my dominant hand. Again, use the middle finger of my left hand, fourth finger on my right hand, and just pop in the lens. Look around, that's in too. When it comes to taking out your contact lenses, again, I always make sure I have clean hands. I take the middle finger of my right hand, my thumb to pull down the lid, touch the top of the lens, and scrape it down. Boom, it's out. There it is. And the same fashion, I use the middle finger on my left hand, use my thumb to pull the lid down, touch the top of the contact lens, so I'm touching my eyeball in a way, and then I scrape it down. Oh, there it is. Done. My nighttime routine, I take my makeup off first. I'm just careful when I'm wiping around my eyes, and then I take my lenses out, simply because I do not want to get makeup in my eyes, because that is just the worst thing. I've had conjunctivitis. I've had conjunctivitis in the past, And it's so annoying, you're walking around with a red eye, especially if you've got an occasion to go to and you've got to wear your glasses. Oh, it's just horrible. So please just avoid it by making sure you have clean hands, making sure that you're not putting your lenses in when you've got your makeup on, making sure you're not taking your lenses out when you've got your makeup on. That's just my method, my opinion, and it works for me. As I said, I've been doing this for 8 or 9 years and I've never had any problems with it. I'm not claiming to be an expert, I'm not an optician. So I showed my optician how I put in and take out my lenses and how I check that it's the right way around. And even though she laughed about my method about looking around like a weirdo, she's fine with it. So if she's fine with it, I'm fine with it. So yeah guys, that's literally how you put in contact lenses. Obviously practice makes perfect and it's going to take a while for you to get used to it. For those of you who are just doing it for the first time, it will feel really weird in your eye. I remember when my optician put mine in and I was crying like a baby. I was like, get it out please, get it out, get it out, get it out. It killed. It felt like he just put a stone or a rock in my eye. But obviously eventually over time you get used to the feeling and it's like it's not even there. I wear my lenses nearly every day. Sometimes I do have a break and I wear my glasses. It's good to give your eyes a break here and there, and your opticians will tell you the same thing. But yeah, contact lenses are so practical. You can do anything. At the time I was playing volleyball, so I couldn't At the time I was playing netball, couldn't really wear glasses. It was quite, you know, dangerous if that ball hit me in the face. So I had to wear contact lenses and it's practical. I'm a makeup wearer and I love to do makeup. And sometimes I feel like glasses can hide it. So it's great if you want to show off your makeup, show off your face, you know what I mean? So yeah, all round I recommend contact lenses. I have the daily exposables. When it comes to my coloured ones, I don't have any at the moment. They are monthly, so I do have to keep them in a container with the solution. My advice with that is to make sure you rinse them. Always have clean hands. Make sure you rinse them with the solution before you put them in. Don't wear lenses in general, really. It doesn't have to be the colours for more than, I don't know, like 12 hours a day, because your eyes can get a bit dry. I work in an office, so I'm constantly looking at the computer and my eyes can get dry, especially in a dry environment with AC, air conditioning. When you're taking them out, this is not the disposable, by the way. This is for monthlies. When you're taking them out, make sure you rinse them again, put them in a pot, put them away, and that's it. When it comes to the disposables, obviously it's a lot easier. You can just take these pots and chuck them in the bin. New day, open up a new one, bam, there you go. So guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other ways of putting in or taking out your contact lenses, or you want to ask any questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.